Coral reefs are one of the most diverse ecosystems in the world. However, increased outbreaks of algae has led to the degradation of coral reef worldwide. Apart from using some popular reef restoration methods, could key fauna members of the reef help speed up the restoration process? Sea urchins have the potential to aid in the natural restoration of degraded reef. They graze on algae and open up space for coral settlement. Unfortunately, people do not admire sea urchins because they look ugly and scary. Some even mistaken the anus of the urchins as the eye. Sea urchins do not have eyes, but it uses its whole body as a sensor to detect light and sense danger from approaching shadows. Now, Project PULIH is trying to understand the role of sea urchins on tropical coral reef to see if we can utilize these underappreciated creatures to help save coral reef.